Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a subwoofer from Polk Audio. So looking at the box, you can see that the center driver is a 12-inch driver and thus the HTS12 naming convention, and this is by manufacturer Polk Audio. And at the bottom it is ported, so that is the patented power port technology. Without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. With the styrofoam and the other packaging out of the way, now we have the subwoofer out, so let's take a look at the kit. First off is a power cable. So this is a standard 2-pin power cable, and this will depend based on the area in which you buy this up. Next up is some documentation, and this is in a separate bag. So first off, we have a registration card, so it has information on registration, benefits of the subwoofer, etc. And next off is the user manual. So this is a common manual for both the HTS10 and 12 subwoofer models. Alright, so let's get the cover off and look at the subwoofer. In terms of the shape, it's like a cube, and you can see the Polk logo on the top right corner. Now this is similar to the other Polk speakers. If you haven't checked those out, you can watch those videos on our channel. So removing this covering frame, you can see the large 12-inch driver on the inside. This is a ported subwoofer with the port being at the bottom. So the cube-shaped housing has rounded edges, as you can see, and there is a sort of wood veneer vinyl wrap, which is also quite nice. It's got a nice smooth finish. And while the base is made of plastic, the feet are rubberized, so it does grip the floor quite well, and this is important in a subwoofer which could have quite a bit of vibration. Looking at the rear, you can see that the power connection is at the bottom left, and in terms of controls, we have phase controls, a power trigger, volume controls, RCA input, and LFE or low frequency out. Hit pause now for the quick specs, and do get subscribed if you aren't for the full deep dive detailed review of this beast of a subwoofer. Hope you're enjoying our content. Do like and share this with a friend, and see you in the next one.